नमस्कार. जय श्रीकृष्ण. श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद, श्री अद्वैत गदाधर, श्रीवासदि गौरभक्त वृंदा. Enunciating the significance of Safala Ekadashi. Safala Ekadashi, dedicated to Lord Vishnu, is observed on the 11th day of Krishna Paksha in Paush month. Fasting and devotion on this day promise spiritual success, forgiveness, and purification. The rituals include fasting, prayers, offerings, meditation, and charity. Devotees believe these practices can overcome obstacles, purify their soul, and achieve peace and prosperity. Safala Ekadashi, also known as Paush Krishna Ekadashi or Paush Mas, is an important fasting day in the Hindu calendar dedicated to Lord Vishnu. It is a deeply meaningful and auspicious day for spiritual growth, seeking forgiveness, and purifying oneself. By fasting and engaging in devotion to Lord Vishnu, devotees believe that they can overcome obstacles, purify their hearts, and attain spiritual success. Safala Ekadashi falls on the 11th day Ekadashi of the Krishna Paksha in the Hindu month of Paush, which was observed on December 26, 2024. It is a reminder of the importance of self-discipline, devotion, and the pursuit of righteousness in one's life. The day promises blessings from Lord Vishnu for peace, prosperity, and liberation from the cycle of birth and death, making it an important event in the Hindu religious calendar. The word Safala means successful or fruitful, and Ekadashi refers to the 11th day of it. Safala Ekadashi is thus considered a day to attain spiritual success and material blessings. It is a day dedicated to the worship of Lord Vishnu, the preserver and protector of the universe. Devotees believe that observing the fast on this day can bring success in their lives, purify their soul, and remove the effects of past sins. On this day, devotees seek to strengthen their devotion, practice self-discipline, and engage in sincere worship. Safala Ekadashi is the reminder of the importance of spiritual pursuits in one's life. It is believed that fasting on Safala Ekadashi cleanses the soul from past sins and bad karma, providing a fresh start. Devotees believe that by fasting and engaging in worship on this day, they can purify their mind, body, and spirit. Safala Ekadashi is thus considered a gateway to attaining moksha. It is said that by observing the fast with devotion, one can remove obstacles from their life and attain spiritual growth. As Lord Vishnu is worshipped on this day, devotees believe that they will receive his blessings for peace, prosperity, protection, and for overall well-being. His grace is thought to bring peace and happiness to the lives of his devotees. Safala Ekadashi Puja rituals. First, fasting is observed by devotees for the whole day to enhance devotion towards Lord Vishnu. Second, recite prayers and chant Lord Vishnu's names as well as Vishnu Sahasranam. Third, offer fruits and flowers to the deity of Lord Vishnu and light a diya with desi ghee before the idol of Lord Vishnu. Fourth, listen to the glories of Lord Vishnu to strengthen devotion towards Lord Vishnu. Fifth, devotees should meditate on the deity of Vishnu and connect with the divine consciousness. Sixth, bhajan and kirtan should be performed for enhancing spiritual vibes around us. Seventh, donation of money, food, and clothes should be done to needy and poor people. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare.